Alright, here are the canaries. Time to die. They're enjoying their time. They're having fun. Luckily all four survived. Four babies, a mommy and a daddy. They're all having fun right there. So I just put in some fresh water. They're just having the best time of their life right now. This is the mommy right here. This is the daddy right here. It's starting to cool down, right? It's about 100 degrees outside. Just put in some nice cool water. They're having a blast. Alright guys, please make sure you like and subscribe please. I'll have more videos uploading soon.